Recording in progress.
Can you play it again?
Sure. So no, I only wanted you to write down the clef and then the sharps, the treble, the key signature, and then the time signature. That's all.
Oh, we're done.
You're down. Okay. I'm waiting for the rest of us.
Yeah, I'm done.
Cool.
I'm done.
Cool. The first step is listen to the first note and then the last note. Okay, we don't do the. We're gonna switch the steps today. We're gonna do the pitch first and then the rhythm. Okay, listen to the first note and then the last note. Are they the same or are they in the same octave? Okay, let's listen to the melody again. All right. The first note is D, and then the last note is low D. Is this your answer? Everybody got the answer? Okay. Now let's complete the melody line. Let's complete the melody line first. Listen to the pitches first because this one's very 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 easy. We only do the melody line and then the rhythm line. Okay. All right. So let's try our best to complete this melody line. Okay. This is a melody line here like that. Okay, with a melody line here, at the first note and the second note, we know what it is. Okay? Because, oh, sorry. Are they the same? This one and that one? They're the same. Okay? Which is, the second one is D. Also a D in here. Okay? And then we complete the first measure, which should not be in this step, but I just let you know. This is a first measure. There is an octave in here. Okay? And each one take one ta, one beat in here. So technically this line should not be in here, should be like that. Yeah, that was my mistake. Sorry. All right, now let's try our best with the melody line in here. Let's try our best to complete the rest of them. All right, okay, I'll give you everybody for probably three minutes. 3 minutes, okay. Once you're done, you can just tell me.
I think I'm done.
All right, this time is gonna be on yourself. So I'm gonna do this one, and if you see if your answer is very close to mine, okay? I'll wait for another minute to wait for the rest of us.
I'm done.
The answer is right in here, and take a look at it if that is closer to yours. Who has a correct answer? Who finished? Who complete this one like entirely, like just like this? Okay, who made one mistake? All right. So Arisa, which part did you which part did you do wrong?
So for the second,
This one,
no, the third bar actually.
third bar. Okay.
Third bar. So I did it like one down. So I did G E. No, I did G F E F.
Okay, G F E F. Okay, just one down, one step down for all the notes in here. Okay. Yeah, but you got the rhythm right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oscar.
I messed up on the second half because I put G instead of B.
Right. Okay. So the rhythm was all right? The rhythm.
Yeah.
All right. So how about sing?
I got the second bar wrong.
This one, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so it's very important to draw the lines in here and give yourself a little bit hint. What is a melody going here? Da da dee dee da 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 dum boom. So it's like you feel like if you just throw a rock in the river or in the lake, so it's like a bounce back and then bounce down, bounce back, and to the end. So basically, this melody is just shaped like that. And how about Nick?
Same as Oscar, but I completely forgot the melody after.
All right. Because this one is probably level 6-ish. So it's not that hard. All right. So we're gonna, since everybody know this one and it's being recorded. If you want to listen to that again, and then you can definitely listen to the recording again. Okay. Let's move to the level 7 now. Okay. Level 7, rhythm and melody. So basically today we only have probably 10 minutes ish to do the level 9, and the level 7 is very important. So everybody just focus on level 7 now. Okay. This one is F major. This one we assume that probably gonna have a lot of like a dotted notes in here. Okay. So focus on the irregular rhythm. Okay. Let's listen to this one, F major, and write down the clef and time signature and 3/4. Okay, and then we're gonna start now. First note is what?
C.
All right. The first note is A, and last note is C. All right. Okay. Now let's listen to this one again and draw the melody line. Okay. 3/4. Okay, it's 3/4 beats, not 4/4 beats. So this one is very important. 3/4. Okay. Try your best to finish this one. Everyone got this melody line? Yeah, I made a mistake in here, so I should not draw this one. Okay, should be like that. This is a melody line here. All right. Okay, now we're gonna complete this one with the correct rhythm. Okay, after you finish that one, check the melody here. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let's listen to that again. Do you have the answer? So this one doesn't have any of the dotted notes or special rhythm. we don't have the syncopation. We don't have a eighth note. We don't have tika tika. We don't have the incomplete first measure, the anacrosis. Just like that. All right. So sometimes if they just clap 2 times in the beginning, that could happen. If they clap 1 and 2, that means the first note probably in here, and then there's a bar line. Okay, and then completely different. In the last note, we can probably get a line. You know that last note must be connected with the first note, right? I don't know how to mark that one. Probably a C and something like that, and then connect to its beginning. I have no idea. I have never met those kind of situation before. All right, so this is the melody. Okay, we don't have time to do the reflection. We're gonna keep moving. So rhythm. Let me quickly check this one. If this one deserves us to do this one, we're gonna do that. Do you want to do this one, or we're gonna skip to the next one? Okay, everybody who wanna do this one, just show me your hand. Because this one is just like the one before it. We don't have any of the special notes, steps, just a little bit faster, and then you need to just need to react a little bit faster. You react a little bit faster, and that's it. I don't think that would be yeah, that would be worthy for us to do this. Okay, all right. So this one is the rhythm and the melody. It's pretty straightforward of the level 7. Okay, let's move to the intervals. Okay, let's move to the intervals. So we're gonna complete 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Okay, chord intervals. So this one used to be, we have already learned. Okay, let's quickly just get your chat box ready. Get your chat box ready. Okay, if you don't have chat box, you can just answer it directly. Okay, let's listen to this one to determine which one is that. We have minor second, major second, all the third, and the perfect fourth, fifth, all the sixth, all the sevenths, and perfect eighths. Basically, we don't have diminished and augmented, and the rest of them are all in here. Okay, let's listen to it. Okay, sounds good or bad? Okay, you can just unmute it.
It sounds.
All right, so sounds bad, and let's listen to the gap. Is the gap big or small? All right, so I think the gap is big or small?
Big.
Very good. So we will know which one is that. It's either minor sevenths or major sevenths. Okay, so that's either this one or that one. Okay, let's listen to that again. Okay, if it's major sevenths, the sound is going to be extremely bad, and minor sevenths just not that bad, but still very bad. Okay, listen to that again. Okay, so I think, what do you think? It's major or minor?
Major sevenths.
All right. I want everybody to think about it. This one is if I just go back in here, I don't have the correct way, but I think it's probably B flat and C. That's what I heard. So this definitely minor sevenths. Okay. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Same thing, right? So I did that. B flat and C, and then together is B flat. So this is sound of the minor sevenths. But if you answer sevenths, you will get the half of this score. Okay, let's move to the next one. Same thing. Okay, identify this interval. All right, sounds good or bad? Sounds very good. So which one is a good? Perfect fourths, perfect fifths, and perfect octave. Is there any perfect? No? Alright. So the first note is B flat. Alright. And then the next one is what? F. Listen again, okay? Alright, so it's perfect what? Yep. This is the answer. Because this one getting smaller is basically what I just wrote in here. Alright, so flat B and F, flat B and F. Okay. Okay, let's do one more and then move to the next one, okay? And this one, listen carefully. Alright, think about this one as what? If you hear the sound, think about what? Ambulance. Very good. Ambulance, perfect what? Force. Got it? Alright. So since now everything is pretty straightforward and kind of very easy, let's move to the level 7. Level 7 intervals, which will be a little bit different. It's almost the same. Right, it's almost the same. Let's listen to this one. Okay, twice in... Oh, but it's going to be in melodic form, ascending or descending. Okay, followed by the harmonic form. All right. Is that the same like the last one? I've got it. Let's listen to it. All right, now give me your answer. I think the sound good or bad?
It sounds good.
Let's listen to that again.
Oh, bad.
Listen to the harmonic form, okay? Listen to the harmonic form, which is the last chorus. And can you tell me if the gap is big or small?
Small.
Very good. So we can see this one is second, right? Sounds ugly, and its gap is small, which is major or minor second. All right. So it's major or minor. Okay, let's listen to that again. So we know this one's D and this one's E. A D and E is a major second. Okay, I can see a lot of second or ugly sound in here. Let's listen to this one again. Let's try a different one. Sorry, try a different one. Okay, let's listen to this one. I know what everybody's thinking now. Oh, sounds so weird now. It's like a parallel universe or something like that. So I know that one sounds a little bit different, okay? Let's listen to that again. I want everybody to guess which note is this. Okay, first of all, this one is, I will just let everybody know because they are the same notes. They're the same notes. like a parallel thing. So it's perfect eighth, definitely a perfect eighth. So I want everybody to guess what note it is. Okay, let's see who can guess the correct answer here. So I know that not everybody has the perfect perfect pitch in there, and I cannot see any of the correct answer. Oh, we can see somebody almost there. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Beautiful. All right, so we got a perfect eighth here. We got a B, 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 B in there. Very good. Okay. Next one, I want everybody to listen to it. Since you have know the B sound and then the C sound, whatever, and let's listen to the next one. And tell me what are the two notes are, okay? So let's take a look at it. What is that? Is that Oscar? So is the sound good or bad?
It sounds bad.
So is gap is big or small?
Big.
Very good. So it's either minor sevenths or major sevenths. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's listen to it. Okay, I want everybody to try, but do not play on your keyboard. Do not play this one, or do not play on your phone or anything like that. Just guess it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. The first one is A. All right. So Nick, if you know it's major seventh, what is the second note?
Oh, we're running the second one?
Yeah, we know the first one is A, right? Let's listen to that. I don't really know that. Okay, this one is pretty hard. I'm not sure about these two, but it's definitely a major seventh. Another one probably G sharp. Probably a G sharp. C and G sharp. So major seventh. Let's listen to it. Probably not correct. Oh yeah, it's correct. A and G sharp. So create a that creates major seventh. All right, this one is extremely hard because most of us can listen to the sound of the intervals, quality and quantity, but we cannot figure out which notes are. You have to have a perfect pitch, it's the sense of pitch, so you can just figure it out. Sounds good? All right, so let's move to the next one. Chords. The old chords, we have major, minor, triad, augmented, diminished sevenths, dominant sevenths. You have already played some of this one. I think that in this week you can probably work on some of this one at home. Before the Christmas, I guess someday, and you probably Nicholas, you can just arrange a time to figure it out, especially the progressions. All right. So let's listen to this one and tell me which one is that. So triad. So listen to it. So first of all, we decided if it's a triad or a seventh. This is the first one. Okay. Everybody, give me an answer. Okay. So it's a triad or seventh.
Try.
All right. Anyone got a different answer? All right. So we know it's triad. It's major or minor augmented. Listen to the color of it. It's dark or bright?
Dark.
Dark. So it's what?
Mine.
Minor. Okay. Nicholas, can you tell me which three notes are?
I have no clue.
Guess. I'll guess one too.
Can you play it again?
Guess.
G?
Yeah, you're right. I'm thinking this one is G and the second one is B flat and then last one is D. I guess this is the answer, but I don't know. I'm not sure about this. Okay, let's listen to that again. Probably. All right. So it's minor triad. Oh, see, this one is a little bit different, but still the minor triad, just a little bit lower than us. All right, Nick.
How are we supposed to know that?
We don't know because you have to have a perfect pitch, so you can figure it out. But we don't have that one. No one, just very probably in the musician among all the musicians, probably 1 or 2% of people can have this this kind of thing. But we only listen to the sound and the quality, and then we guess what it is. Okay, because we don't listen to the rest of them. I know some who is one is impressive. Well, yeah, maybe, yeah. If we start to trend this one, we can definitely create those kind of things. But we don't. We don't want to waste our time on it. Okay. All right. Next one. Let's see if there is diminished or dominant in there. All right. So this one is a what?
Can you play it again?
Sure. So it's a triad or a seventh. Okay. Answer this first question.
Triad.
All right. Well, what? How come it's triad? We can hear I'll just give you an example. And one's here, another one is here. All right. So that's what?
7.
Yeah. All right. So we know the beginning and then ending. We start to build up in here. Da, da, dee, da. This is my answer, but I know this is definitely a dominant seventh, but I'm not sure if this correct pitch or not. Do you think this is what it is? Oh yeah, this is a correct answer. Da da dee da. So it's dominant seventh. Dominant seventh sounds like that. All right. So diminished sound like more the squeaky sound. So if you can listen to the top and then the ending, you will figure it out. This one, the seventh, which is dominant seventh. Or you can listen to the first three notes. The first three notes, if you can hear them as a triad, is a major triad, and then it's a dominant seventh. All right. There's no minor things in here. It's diminished is diminished, which is different. Okay, let's listen to something else. Okay, what is this? I want to ask her to answer this question.
Can you play it again? Seventh?
Yeah, seventh. Which seventh?
Dominant seventh?
Yes. The first note is what? Okay, this is the answer. So dominant seventh chords. Oh, sorry, same thing. Okay, but just higher. So I was wrong. So this one up, 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 up. So it's still dominant seventh. All right. Okay. Next one. I think.
Is it minor triad?
It's a triad. First of all, it's a triad. Okay, and then listen to it. It's bright or dark.
Oh, major triad.
Right. Da da di. I think it's A, C, and E. Yeah. A flat, C, and E flat. Okay, same thing. All right, so we have already practiced this one, and now let's move to the level 7 chorus, which is this one. Wait, oh, okay, so we forgot to do the review part. That's all right. Let's do the review part of the chord progression. Okay. All right. So this review part is very easy. 1-4-1 or 1-5-1. Listen to what? Left hand. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Arisa.
It's 1-5-1.
Quina.
Like 1-4-1.
I'm sorry, I cannot hear you.
Hold on. One from.
All right, Nicholas. Nicholas.
4.
Asin.
4.
Oscar.
1-5-1.
Good. Listen to the bottom. It's definitely a fifth in here. Okay, it's very, very bright. From 1 to 4, 5 is from a tonic to dominant. Listen to this one. It's like it's a very, very smooth ending and sounds very clear, and then very good. Okay, let's listen to something else. By listening to it, so we know that is a minor key, which is different from the major key. So sound could be different, but the same of the progressions in here. Okay, same progression. But this one, they just switched that one to the minor key. Once you listen to that sound, you will directly go to 151. Okay, da da da. This is very clear one. So this one is 141. Listen to the sound da 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 dee da. It's 151. Then this one is 141 da da da. A little bit lower than the 151. Listen to the bottom again, okay? Listen to the bottom. Okay, sound like it's not totally completed. All right? So that's the difference between 151 or 141. Hopefully you can probably play them on the piano and listen to it at home. And progressions of the level 7 could be a little bit different. And this one is 141, 151, or 145. Okay, let's listen to it. I think is the last one back home.
Can I hear it again?
Okay.
No, it's not.
Is this one back home, I think?
Yeah.
All right. So now we can eliminate this one because it's back home. So last one is 1. All right. So listen to it. It's 141 or 15. Okay, I already told you. Okay, sorry. So what is that? What is the answer? 141.
Can we just stop?
141, right? Listen to the bottom. Okay, let's try one more. Listen to it. If it's the last note is home note or not. Okay, you can figure out with any of the pitch. Okay, it doesn't matter. Figure out different pitches and figure out the intervals between them, and then you will know which one is which. Okay. All right. Asin, can you tell me this one is home note or not?
It's the home note.
Let's listen to that again.
It's not.
It's going up. All right. It's da dee da. Okay, those are the 3 similarity notes that I can hear. So it's definitely 145. Da dee da. Yeah, correct. That's my answer. The B flat is right in here. This one small thing is B flat, so they didn't put this one in here. So you know that one is 145, and that's enough. You don't need to know the correct specific answer of all of them. Okay, now let's quickly go through a level 9. This one is gonna be a little bit difficult. Let's go to my courses. By the way, after you finish your level 9 exams, there will be some history, something waiting for you. We have ARCT history in here. We have level 10 online courses, music history, level 9 online courses only. And you can probably use this one as your history to complete your history class, history exams. All right, let's go directly to the level 9 ear training. All right, so we don't do the review exercises because we have already done this one. Okay, we're gonna go directly to see what is a level 9 exercise of the rhythm melody looks like. Okay. All right, so this one is a melody, rhythm and a melody. Okay, let's listen to this one carefully. 3, 4, and the 3 flats in there. Ah, I forgot something. Can I erase that? Let me check. Yeah, I can. All right, this is the answer. Everybody got this answer? Okay, I'm not fully correctly. Let's listen to that again, okay? Let's listen to it. Everybody got this answer, or okay? Do you have any question of this one, everybody? If you don't think that one is the answer, because we don't have an answer in here, right? So in the video, and then you can just play on your piano to see if they are exactly the same or not. Okay, this is what I wrote in here. Okay, yeah, Nicholas.
Is there any way to actually train get better at this?
Sorry, you got to cut in here. I cannot hear it.
Is there any way to get better at this?
Well, we're gonna listen to the right hand only, and sorry, the top melody, the top rhythm, melody, and then the bottom melody, and then we write them down just like this. There's no way, there's no like a shortcut of doing this one. You have to be very familiar with rhythm, and then the patterns, and then the melody and hands together, so you can write it down in there. So this was kind of very easy in the in the advanced level, quite honestly. So I think it's very important to have your tempo set up. So your leg or your whatever you need to move your legs and just tap down. So 1, 2, 3, and this one right hand we got dotted notes, and left hand we don't have one. And then okay, let's listen to the first measure only. All right, so I can hear da da dee. This one means the first one is dotted notes, da da dee. So this one's first one. Left hand is very regular, very even notes. All right, let's listen to that again, okay? Down, down, down. Very good. So bong, bong, down, down. So E flat, F, and G. So E. Those three notes are here. So you got the first measure. And this one is very tricky because we have a natural notes in here. So I thought this one's B flat, but it turns out it's a natural B. All right, bong, 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 2, 3. That's the top melody. And the bottom line is D da 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 D. All right. So anyone listen to what kind of like contemporary music, like anything, like some of the K-pops or something like that. They always got this the chorus part. We have the different arrangement of the two voices to emphasize it. Anything you can think about, any of the music, any of the songs. All right, the Coldplay's, Lady Gaga's, what is that? The Blackpink or Pink Black or whatever. I forgot the name of that one. So they always have those kind of things arranged in the chorus part. Okay, you should listen to it and find the pattern of them so you can understand this one. So when you sing with somebody else, you can just probably, if somebody is sing the melody part, you can just go directly to the accompany part. All right. So we talked too much about this one, but that's it. Let me see if there's a correct answer of this one. Wait, there should be something that I can see. Is this? No, this one's recording. All right, so there should be a correct answer in here. Weird. All right. Okay, so that's the melody part. All right, so next page, do we have this one? Oh, we don't have any. All right, so let's move to the intervals. Let's just only take a look at it. All right, so this time we have something more in there. Yep, still the same thing. Listen to it carefully. That's one easy. Let's start from Nick.
Five.
I sing. I sing.
Yeah. Is it perfect force?
Okay, Oscar.
Perfect fifth.
Arisa.
It's major third.
Quena.
It's a minor third or
All right.
major third.
Which one is that?
I'll say minor.
All right, Arisa's correct. It's a major third, okay? It's major third. Got it? B flat and D and then B flat. If you expand this one to expand to triad, the da da is a chord is very bright. Okay, very good, Arisa. And let's move to the next one. All right, listen to this one. Ooh, this one's hard. So we know the sound is not very good. So what is that? Okay, let's start from Nick. Nick.
Minor six.
I'm sorry, I cannot hear you.
6.
7 or 6?
6.
6 sound bad or good?
Bad?
All right. So this one's very very tricky one. This one's augmented. Okay, this one's augmented force. If you see this one is B and then F, sound very weird sound. So sound very weird. So there must be either this one is a sharp or this one is a flat, but it's B and F in there. So I would say this one is augmented force. Yes, so this one's flat. So this one we got the B in here, and this one got F, but this one turns out is E sharp, which is F flat, but we don't call it. We call it augmented force. If we write down like that one, it's a fifth. So I was wrong, but this one is augmented force. So this one's very weird. Very weird sound. Okay, it's different from the sevenths. I know that somebody immediately go to the sevenths. Somebody immediately goes to sevenths because it sounds very ugly. All right, augmented force. Okay, we're gonna train this one in the future because this one is very rare to show. All right, last one. This one's a seventh, okay? Which seventh? Got it? All right. We have chords and chord progressions in here, but we don't have time. Okay, everybody, who wanna do one more chords or chord progression? Show me your hand. Who wanna do one? And we can just quickly go one, and then we're gonna call off today. We're gonna conclude this class. Or you. All right. Progressions, we don't do that because we have already done this one. Let's quickly go through a chords, and this is going to be what kind of types of the chords. Okay. Augmented triad. All right. Minor 4-note chords and major 4-note chords, diminished sevenths or dominant sevenths. Nick, do you have any question?
No.
Yeah, this one is pretty hard. All right, let's listen to only one, okay? So what is that?
Diminished.
So if it's diminished or dominant or augmented, sounds going to be extremely weird. If you hear the sound almost correct, it's either minor or major 4-note chords. Got it? Let's listen to it. Good or bad?
It's all right.
It's all right. So, but it's very dark. So I would say probably minor 4s, right? So what is augmented sounds like, or the rest of them sound like? Let's listen to this one. All right. Yeah. Okay. Now, what is that?
Me? Dominant 7.
Yeah, dominant 7s. Cool. All right, that's all for the level 9 and level 7 sessions. So we're gonna think about next week, how could we possibly deliver this one. I'm gonna stop recording.